Hello, Barça fans, and a very happy new year to everyone watching. I truly hope that 2026 has started in the best possible way for all of you, surrounded by your loved ones, family, friends, and of course, plenty of passionate Barça discussions. Even during the New Year celebrations, when most of us were enjoying a well-deserved break, the work at Camp Nou never stopped. Construction crews have been working relentlessly, and today, we're going to take a detailed look at all the latest developments taking place at our beloved stadium. We'll be covering everything from upper-tier structures and roof preparations to the installation of elevators and escalators, detailed facade work, ground-level updates, and even how the pitch is being maintained during these challenging weather conditions. So sit back, settle in, and get ready, because we have a lot to cover today. Let's start up top. Over the past several days and weeks, the upper structures have shown some truly impressive progress. What stands out most is the extremely careful and methodical preparation work currently underway. There's a very important reason for this level of precision. These upper structures are being prepared to support something truly massive, the brand new roof system, something the old Camp Nou never had in its complete form. The third tier, in particular, is being constructed with extraordinary care and attention to detail. When compared to the lower tiers, it's clear that this section requires a far more meticulous approach. Turning our attention to the exterior, we can now see sections of sheet metal and plaster boards being installed. This marks an important phase in the stadium's cladding system and the beginning of Camp Nou's final visual identity. Several elements are working together here. Facade cladding panels, including metal composites, aluminum sections, and fiber cement boards, are being installed to create the sleek, modern look shown in architectural renderings. At ground level, several notable changes are taking place. Workers have been removing vertically installed iron bars from certain sections, which may seem unusual at first. However, this does not weaken the structure. In large construction projects, temporary supports are often installed during specific phases and removed once permanent structures are completed. This removal usually indicates progress, a completed construction phase and preparation for the next one. Additional reinforcement and safety work continues as permanent elements are added. It's all part of the carefully planned rhythm of modern construction, gradually shaping the final spaces fans will experience inside the new Camp Nou. Visca el Barça. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you in the next one.